Welcome back, beautiful souls. Our throat chakra holds the key to unlocking our authentic voice and speaking our truth. In this meditation, we'll immerse ourselves in affirmations designed to harmonize and balance our throat chakra. So find a comfortable position, take a deep breath, and allow yourself to open up to the transformative power of this guided meditation. Now let's begin. I speak my truth freely and openly. When I speak, I am calm and confident. I am safe to express myself truthfully. I am a good listener. Being honest frees me. My voice matters. I am allowed to be uniquely me. I have a loving voice. It is safe for me to follow my curiosity. I expand my energy and let go of judgments. I express myself freely and confidently. My voice is unique and valuable. I communicate with clarity and ease. I speak my truth with courage and conviction. My thoughts and words create positive change. I release fear and embrace authentic self-expression. I am a powerful and articulate communicator. My voice matters and I am heard. I speak with kindness and compassion. I trust in the power of my words. I communicate openly and honestly. My throat chakra is clear and balanced. I give voice to my truth and inner wisdom. I am confident in expressing my ideas and opinions. I embrace my right to speak my truth. My words are a reflection of my inner wisdom. I communicate with love and understanding. I release self-doubt and embrace self-expression. My voice is a tool for positive change. I express myself authentically and without hesitation. I honor my own voice and the voices of others. I am open to receiving and expressing feedback. I communicate with integrity and authenticity. I release any blocks preventing my self-expression. I trust in the wisdom of my spoken words. I speak my truth with calm confidence. I am open to expressing my emotions through my voice. My words have the power to manifest my desires. I express my creativity through my words. My voice has the power to inspire and uplift. I am a magnet for positive and harmonious communication. I trust in my ability to express myself clearly. My voice is a powerful tool for self-discovery. I trust in the power of my voice to create positive outcomes. I am open to listening to the wisdom within and around me. I express gratitude for my ability to communicate. My voice is an instrument of positive change. I am connected to my authentic voice and I express myself with ease. My communication is filled with love and light. I honor the power of my words to shape my reality. My voice is a channel for love and healing. I release all fear and doubt, allowing my voice to flow freely. I am a channel of divine expression, sharing love and wisdom through my words. I embrace my unique creativity and share it with the world. My throat chakra is open, balanced, and aligned with my highest purpose. I speak my truth fearlessly. My voice is a divine instrument of truth and clarity. My words have the power to inspire, uplift, and heal. My voice is a reflection of my inner strength. My throat chakra is aligned with my higher self.